Did you know Mothra's twin fairies were played by the Japanese musical duo The Peanuts, comprised of sisters Emi and Yumi Ito, who were one of the first successful J-pop groups selling over 10 million records. Masura no Uta, also known as Mothra's song, formed by the duo in Mothra and Mothra vs. Godzilla, became so popular. Other versions were created by many other artists in Japan. Here are the translated lyrics. Mothra, oh Mothra, through thy magical life energy, accept the prayers of thy humble servants. Arise and show us your magic power. Another popular song by the Ito twins from Mothra vs. Godzilla, known as The Sacred Spring, later became a fan favorite in America and Japan, later being introduced in the 1992 film Godzilla vs. Mothra.